Hey, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a 2016 Kawasaki Teryx 800 LE in the candy lime green. Beautiful color. You can tell it's been taken care of. A lot of standard great features on this. Power steering for one, makes it easy to turn. Fox Podium shocks, so you're going to have a good ride. You can also adjust those to your ride. 14-inch rims and tires, so you got plenty of tire there. LED headlights, but also you can see we added a LED light bar here. The KFI 3,500-pound stealth winch, glass windshield, another light bar, so they'd like to be able to see. Full canvas cab, steel roof over top that, so you're not going to hurt your canvas upper. You can see the stereo in there. Also comes with a heater, so you can ride year-round in this machine. You're going to be plenty of toasty, especially on these cooler days. But on the back of this canvas cab, what's really cool is if it's something you want to get to the back, or if you want to roll this rear window up, there's a big zipper on both sides so you can roll that up. Bed does dump, so this is something that we've always been able to do with the Teryx, has been able to dump it. Plus you've got lots of storage back here. You can put a full-size motorcycle helmet in there. Painted A-arms that come standard from Kawasaki, but great machine. Just over 2,100 miles on this. So if you're looking for a great sport utility like this, come down to Carnes Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-324-5251, and you can find it on our website at carnesequipment.com.